Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm going to feature this brand. I'm going to share to you the cheapest bags at Gucci. Yes guys, so I would be linking everything on the description box below. Theme, product codes, prices, and link where you could shop it so you could shop with me for today. So I'm inviting you guys, so kindly stay and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, all prices are in USD via Gucci.com and are before tax. Prices are updated as of March 24, 2023. Also, there are more than 47 cheapest bags under 2,000 USD. However, I chose only the best selection with variety. Links to all we have discussed for today will be in the description box below. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let's start strong at top 47. We have the Ophidia large tote bag for $1,980 US. I love this one, a perfect alternative to the Louis Vuitton Never Full. Then we have a top 46 Ophidia small shoulder bag with double GG, same price, $1,980 US. I love the dome shape of this bag. Then, top 45, we have the Ophidia GG small backpack for $1,980 US. This is such a cute backpack and I believe this would fit most of the phones that we have and definitely a good everyday bag. Then, for $19,800 still, top 44, we have the Ophidia GG mini top handle bag. This one, super cute. Maybe this is the same size as the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. What do you think? Next, top 43, priced at $1,980 US, we have the Ophidia GG small shoulder bag. So this one is like a toiletry pouch, but it already comes with the chain shoulder strap. What do you think of this one? Super cute. Then at top 42, same price, we have the Ophidia Matelassé handbag. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So this one, guys, I love to add to my collection. It's such a cute and very fun shoulder bag. Then top 41, same price. This one, guys, definitely is a must for our collection, the Aphrodite small shoulder bag. It comes with two straps as we could see here. Then at top 40, we have the Ophidia GG small bucket bag. So this one is a good size bag and I believe definitely you could carry this one on an everyday basis. Next, we have top 39 Ophidia GG soft medium tote bag. Love the size, definitely a good everyday, even a work bag definitely could fit most of the things that we need for work, and it comes with a small pouch as well. Top 38, $1,900 USD. We have the Gucci Blondie belt bag. So this one, so very cute, very now with their very modern Blondie logo. Then top 37, $1,890 US. We have the Aphrodite small shoulder bag. This one, guys, I love the giant double G logo in front, and as you can see, the strap is fully adjustable. We have the Ophidia Jumbo GG medium tote, top 36 for $1,890 US. So this one, another good alternative to the Louis Vuitton Never Full, and I love the giant GG logo. What do you think? Then we have the GG small tote bag for $1,790 US. This one is a good travel bag. As you can see, I love the size. I really wanted to check this one out on the store. Then at top 34, same price, we have the Gucci Blondie small bag. So as you can see, guys, this is, I feel, the more modern version of the Gucci Soho bag. Then we have the Ophidia GG small handbag top 33 for $1,790 US. I love this bag that it comes with the chain strap and the canvas strap as well. Then top 32, 1,690 US dollars. We have the Jumbo GG mini tote bag. This one, guys, I was able to personally try at our local Gucci store, and it is much bigger than the Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plats. Top 31, 1,690 US dollars. For me, guys, you know me with the love of vanity bags, so this is a big yes for me. The Ophidia small shoulder bag with web. Then another beautiful large tote bag at top 30 for 1,650. We have the Ophidia GG large tote bag. Then at top 29, 1,650 US dollars. I love this tote bag, guys, for two reasons. It comes with a shorter strap like this one, and it comes with a longer shoulder strap. Definitely a must for an everyday need. Then we have top 28, 1,650 US dollars. We had the very beautiful Ophidia GG small shoulder bag. Then top 27 for 1,650 USD, we have the Ophidia GG medium tote bag. Top 26, 1,650 USD, we have the GG Marmont Shoulder Bag. So this is a very beautiful camera bag, and they have modernized the design. I love that one. Then top 25, same price, we have the Ophidia GG mini round shoulder bag. So if you are fond of round bag, then this could be a good addition to your collection. Then top 24 for 1,600 USD, we have Ophidia mini bucket with double G. What do you think of this very beautiful pistachio color? Then we have a top 23 for 1,500 USD, Ophidia Jumbo GG mini bucket bag. Again, obsessing with the giant GG monogram. Top 22, 1,490 USD, we have the Jumbo GG mini tote bag. Next, top 21 for 1,450 USD, we have the Ophidia GG shoulder bag. So this is actually a good size bag. You can definitely put our essentials in. Top 20, 1,400 USD, GG Marmont Halfmoon Shaped mini bag. Cute size. I love that it comes with shoulder strap and a longer chain strap like this. Super cute. Top 19, same price, we have the GG Marmont Shoulder Bag. So this is a very good, very cute mini shoulder bag. Then, top 18, we have the Ophidia GG mini bucket bag for 1,400 USD. Ophidia GG small shoulder bag, 1,390 USD at top 17. So this is actually a good size bag. Definitely you could carry this on an everyday basis. Top 16, 1,350, we have the GG Marmont mini bag. So this one is cute, however, the depth of this one is very thin, as you can see on this one. Top 15, 1,350 USD, we have the Padlock Jumbo GG mini bag. Very cute, however, it is a mini bag. Definitely you need to scale down on the things that you need to bring. Top 14, 1,290 USD, Ophidia GG small handbag. I'm so curious how this looks like in person. Definitely I would need to check this out in our local Gucci store. Top 13, 1,250 USD, we have the GG Halfmoon Shaped mini bag. Top 12, Aphrodite Shoulder Bag with double GG, price only at 1,290. So very cute size bag as well, and definitely a very modern shoulder bag. Top 11, Ophidia Mini Chain Bag for 1,250. Very, very cute mini bag. What do you think of this one, guys? Now let's move to top 10 for 1,200 USD. We have the Ophidia GG Heart Utility Belt Bag. Top 9, 1,200 USD, we have the GG Marmont Super Mini Bag. So this one, I believe this is one of their micro bag, and I'm not really sure if it could fit our phones, but definitely a cute bag. Top 8 for 1,150 USD, we have the Ophidia GG Belt Bag. GG Marmont Bucket Bag, top 7 for 1,150 USD. Top 6, 1,100 USD, Ophidia GG Shoulder Bag. Top 5, 1,100 USD, we have the GG Matelassé Top Candle Mini Bag. Top 4, same price, 1,100 USD, Ophidia Jumbo GG Mini Bag. Super, super cute shoulder bag. Top 3, 1,050 USD, Ophidia GG Mini Bag. Now at top 2, for only 910 USD, we have the GG Marmont Mini Bag. I believe this is more of a phone holder. Now at top 1, for 870 USD, we have the Ophidia GG Mini Bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below among the beautiful selection that we have showcased for today. Which one is your favorite? So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-going fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!